Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I've got an unboxing from a company that's new to me and they were kind enough to send me some items for review, and that company is called New Craft Day. So I've got 3 things to show you. One is in a box, 2 are in packets, so we'll do the packets first. So let's get started. These are all items that I thought were really lovely and seasonal, and so could be something to work on as the nights draw in. So this is the first one. This is a lovely little snack of a painting. So it's 25 by 25. We will measure that. Let's just see if that is true or if it includes that white border. So no, it is indeed, yeah, 25 by 25. So that's really lovely. And although it looks very blue here, this will actually look like kind of a blackboard kind of image. I will put a picture here of what it will look like when it's finished, hopefully. So we've got, this is in round, and I have got the diamonds here. Bit of a raffle. So looks like there shouldn't be any problem with quality. The packaging that's got this sort of cross hatch of the word diamond, I've had diamonds that come in this packaging before and they are always really good quality. So there's 25 colours and we will just whiz through and have a look at them very quickly. Obviously we're going to get lots of neutral colours, a fair amount of 310, 2 packs there. Getting into the more autumnal shades, different versions of grey, a smidge of 3865, which is a kind of an off-white. Some more coffee colours and oranges, bit of green. What is that one? 939, so that's your darkest dark blue, often used as a substitute for black. Got some dark green, pop of red, some creams, and a bit more grey. So I think that will be really fun to work on. What I will do is just try and smooth it out a little bit so that we can see it a little easier. It's a lovely, it's a, I'm trying to think, it's a nylon-y canvas, but it's very soft. It's not stiff at all. There's a soft canvas in that respect. So just by lifting the plastic and placing it back down, you can see it's already started to take out some of those packing creases. There we go. I will pop this under my cutting board for the evening, and by tomorrow it'll be perfectly flat. As you can see already, it is sitting much flatter and allowing us to see the image clearer. So that's our first one. Comes with your standard kit, which I don't need. I'll pop that over to one side. So next packet. So that was a full round drill. This one, I believe, is a partial. Okay. Let's hope that the drills are in here. do I get in? There we go. Oh, this one has been fully squished flat, which is a bit of a shame, but let's see. Oh, okay. It is a partial, but it's not special drill. I had it in my head that it was. I am misremembering. So this is, it's called the Happiness Tree on the website. It is a really cute autumnal tree. I thought it would be lovely to have to, you know, hang up, well, in any room, but I think for me, I'm going to pop it in our entrance hall, and it will be something that I put up seasonally. That was my thinking. So again, I'm going to try and straighten it out. This canvas is a little bit rougher than the last one. Hopefully, with it being a partial, those creases will come out, because of course they're not going to be covered up with the drills. I'm sure it will be fine. It looks like it's already straightening out quite nicely. So yeah, standard kit again. And here we have just 5 colours. So if anybody saw me do the cats in Moonlight one, that had just 4 colours, but was a full drill. This is 5 colours, but is a partial. This is going to be, you know, a nice fun evening project with these lovely colours. So there you can see we've got yellow, orange, bright red, darker red, and a black. We don't have DMC on these ones, but they still look to be pretty good quality. I just spotted one with a little tab on, but I've lost it in the mix now, and there certainly seems to be plenty, and they are very sparkly, which is very nice indeed. Yeah, so I don't think that that is going to cause me any trouble at all. I think that will be very fun to do. I may even time-lapse the whole thing so that you can see the whole process, because I genuinely don't think it'll take very long. So there's that one. And then finally, we have this box, which I did have a peek inside just to make sure it was the right one. I have been after one of these for so long. We've got our autumnal wreath, which is perspex, kind of, yeah, plasticky. It's got your clear coat on the top you can peel back to reveal the sticky underneath, and then it is a full drill diamond painting on top. Standard kit, boat wax pen, and here are our drills. Let's have a look, see what we get. So, ooh, we are, there we go. Okay, so we've got a mixture. Let's start off. So we've got, these are going to go, yeah, these are the Y, so these larger circles here, those are going to be these kind of, I guess, holly berries. That's the sort of thing that, or maybe rowan berries are perhaps what they are intended to be. Then we've got brown, got like a carroty orange, some grassy greens, brown, more different shades of orange, more brown, sort of a lime green, red, darker green, sagey greens, and then finishing up with the red, gemstones and gold and gemstones. So where are the red and gold going to go? Let's have a look. So we've got J and R. So let's have a look. So R is, in this leaf we've got R, and then J. Where's J going to go? It's in the cup portion of the acorns. I think that's going to look lovely. I'm pleased with that. I'm interested to see how this one fares because it's a plastic base rather than a wooden base. It means that potentially I could actually hang this one on the door, on the outside of the door. So that will be nice to see how that works. What we don't get with this is any hanging fixings, but that does mean that then you can use whatever is most suitable for you, whether that be just to tie a little bit of ribbon through, or whether to use some sort of command hook on the back, some sort of sticky fixing. I will let you know how this one turns out, and obviously how I decide to fix it to the wall. So these are our 3 from New Craft Day. So we've got Gathered Together, we've got our Squirrel, and we've got our Happiness Tree. So really nice ones. New Craft Day have been kind enough to give me a 5% discount voucher, discount code rather, that I will put on the screen, and it will be down in the description as well. So do make use of the crafty code, and if you spend more than $50, you will also get 2 free products. So yeah, at the moment couldn't be happier. I think these are fab. I am really grateful once again to New Craft Day for sending me these to have a look at and review. I do hope that some of you take a look at their site. There's a lot on there, so there's bound to be something to suit everybody's tastes. That is all from me for today. I will pop all the prices for these in the description, and finish as always by asking you please to consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.